What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is beautiful outside today, and we are on our way to get our first storage unit because our business is already growing. We've got so much inventory and we're selling lots of stuff on eBay. So we are moving into a storage unit, putting a lot of the stuff in there to get it out of the house. And we're gonna take you guys with us and just show you the unit, and then we're gonna start getting stuff moved into it and kind of just take you along almost like a little vlog style journey as we grow the business. So say hi, Asher. Wow.
Hi.
And say hi, Danny.
Hi. Stop, I don't have any makeup.
You look beautiful no matter what. Anywho, so we got lots of clothing specifically for my auction buy, but I'm gonna move everything, all the priority mailboxes that I have, which I have a lot of, over to the unit so we can clear out the clutter and get a little bit more organized. So we'll see you at the unit.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Here, we're going to get our storage unit. Okay. I mean, it's already reserved. You can't really cancel it.
Change it to a different one. Absolutely. And see if the size fits.
All right, she's taking us to the golf cart so we can go see our unit just to make sure it's what we want. It's just for starters, but you know.
Got it. For this property, you can access it from 6 a.m. to 9 at night, every single day. Cool. Right now, the gate got hit by lightning the other day, so it's being repaired Tuesday. Awesome. Florida weather. Yeah, exactly. And so,
We can always, if we have more stuff, then.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You like it?
Whoo! It's bright outside. I can't see, but we got our signature signed. We got our lock.
I can't see either.
We're gonna go put a couple boxes in the unit right now because we had some stuff in the car, and then we're going home to get more stuff. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, good job. All right, bud. Right here. Okay, put the key in. Okay. Put it in right in the hole. Yep. Here, I'll hold it and you can turn the key. Okay, turn the key. Keep going. All right, good job. I'm gonna pull the key out. Pull it out. Don't turn it, just pull it. There you go. All right, you did it. Thank you. We're all locked up. All right, just got to the unit with the boxes, so time to put them in. Let's go. Here's a look at where we're at so far. I've got all my shoes organized up here. Nikes, Jordans, Adidas slides, Van shoes, New Balance, Polos. I got some of my box stuff up here that's kind of awkward. I got my hockey pucks, I got my table, I got my Matchbox cars, NASCARs. Got a couple of chairs for sale even, all my boxes. This is most of the auction clothing that we've gone through right here. So we've got a bunch more bins at home I gotta bring up. Got a couple of more toys over here. Lion King, as you can see, Disney, Star Wars, little things. So, and then in here, these are all labeled too. Like I got my hats, sports equipment, golf. In here I got like board games and some other things. You know, random stuff, Pokemon cards, Pogs, DVD player, TV remote, card shuffler, blank DVDs. And then got my mug life, cup life down here, all the mugs and cups we've got for sale. So, got my golf clubs back there, some beer steins that we got for sale. These things are super cool. But I got my shipping containers and my table up there ready to make some packages. And that's it, man. So we are moved in. Got plenty of space still for more stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did moving into the storage unit. I'm super pumped for the future, and we'll see what holds next. Signing off for now until we move into a bigger unit or I get a bigger house. It's Drew from Profit Monsters. Peace money!